Hello everybody, Ben Dittmar here again. Today is January 28th, 2019. And I'm at home working on some more motors. And this one here is a 1968 Evinrude 9.5. I picked this motor up about a week ago. Actually, a week ago today. And it was kind of, it was in kind of rough shape. So resealed the gear case on it, new water pump impeller. New points and condensers, new spark plugs, new fuel pump. The upper motor mount was broken. Two motor mounts were actually broken, so I replaced all the motor mounts on it. The carburetor was totally jacked. I don't know, somebody was working on it and just made a mess of it. So replaced the carburetor with a kit, and we're giving it a try. It's a really, really cold day out right now. It's only about 3 above Fahrenheit. It is about 55 here in the garage. And anyway, my exhaust fan on the tank doesn't pull fumes real well, so these have a tendency to choke on their own fumes. So I'm going to do an idle first, and then we'll put some power to it. So here we go.